See me. Show me your watch. Show me. Think you're... We had a sleepover last night, huh? Oh, say jump for Grandma and Great Grandma. Oh, say jump for Great Grandma. Can you go 1? Hey, just back up a little bit, babe. Okay, ready, set, and jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Let's see your watch. Let's see. Did you find Grandma's watch? You can play with it. It's okay. Say hi. Try a little harder. Try a little harder.
Mama May.
Mama May. Say Grandma. Here. Okay, I'm helping. Okay, got your foot. Better? Come, we're getting tired. Was up early. Huh? You got the watch on? Oh, I'm going to get you. Fix your hair. Come on, tired. You want your blanket? Are you zoning? Someone's zoning. He's watching a little Disney show. Say bye-bye to the camera. Hey, snap out of it. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, zoning.